Hello people, welcome back to my old channel. Right now I'm about to unbox the last brick of X of Swords out of the case. Like I said in the previous video, I didn't want to buy this at first, but after many people and things going on, I decided to, what the hell, I'll buy it. You know, WizKids want me to be broke. Marvel and DC wants me to be broke. Everybody wants me to be broke, but that's okay. Grab the good old legacy card. The last one I pulled had some good pulls. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I'm going to tell you is that by the time this video drops, it will be Saturday afternoon, and I'll be watching Clash at the Castle, so the WWE Premium Live event. So I'm going to be watching that with one of my best friends. And have a good old time. Then Sunday is AEW's All Out. And of course, Labor Day weekend for you Americans. If you're not American, then I don't know what kind of holiday you have, but that's how it is here. Let me see if I can move this a little bit better. Okay. Well, without further ado, let me get on and crack it. First case. Ooh. Okay, we have Green Priestess, Gorgon, Astro, Jean Grey, and Sebastian Shaw, Danger Room Construct. Had a little baggie here, which holds War. Awesome. War is one of the children of Apocalypse, and he comes with his own sword. Ouch. Vermilion. Nice. Very nice. Like Borat. I like this stupid Borat. Very nice. Never liked that show. But anyway. I know it's sacrilegious to everybody. And it comes with a tarot card. Ten of Pentacles. When a character uses hypersonic speed and hits during the action, after resolutions, remove an action token from... Oh my goodness. This could be good for like speeders. So if you got a speedster on your team, like Quicksilver, or or sometimes Carol Danvers or whatever, a flyer. Man, that is crazy. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Got a baggie. So what did I get? I get the Fury. Another Tarot. Interesting. Cyclops. Gorgon. And Apocalypse Danger Room Construct. The funny thing is, I was House of X. I wanted the Apocalypse X, House of X set. No, I didn't get him. I didn't get that one, but I got this. But it's better than nothing, I guess. And I got another tarot card. Strength. Attack rolls of double ones are not critical misses. What? Rolls of doubles that would hit are critical hits. What? Oh my god. So, you know, like for example in Heroclix, you roll a double one, that's a critical miss, you take 1 click of damage. But now, any double that you roll for this turn, when you pull this card, if it hits, it's a critical hit. So you do one extra click of damage. That right there is sick. That right, wow. Oh my gosh, can't wait. You know, this is a, you know, just hope you're having a good, I'm filming this as a Thursday night. And the weekend's coming up. You know, I pulled another 50-hour work week after tomorrow, and you know, it's going to be kind of interesting. So we got a White Priestess, a Magneto, another Orchid Soldier. That makes 2 of them. I need about 3 or more of these. Iceman, and who the hell? Oh, Summoner. And he comes with the Colony Sword. I think I got him before. I think I did when I picked some random boosters. And I got another tarot card. 5 of Swords. When a character that can use super strength is given an action after resolution, they may generate a standard object for them to immediately hold. Oh gosh. Okay, so that means you technically create objects. Interesting. Man, these tarot cards put a new perspective on this game. Cellcat Vampire. Mystique, Dangerous Construct. Absalom McCurder, Sexy Colossus with his back turned to you. And a Bishop. No, to tell you the truth, I don't even know what the chase characters are. I really don't. So, if I pulled out a chase, I wouldn't even know it. What? Oh, something broke. Okay, we got Storm, Cyclops, the Fury, Magic, and a Broken. And it's supposed to be Whiz Kid. I gotta glue him. Oh well. Oh, it's a kind of heavy figure, but that's fine. Booster number 6. This is interesting. We got Solemn, Omega Sentinel, a White Priestess, Cyclops, and another Death with his Blackbone Amulet sword. So that's number 2 also. That's pretty good. And another tarot card. Hopefully I could find the starter set because it comes with 5 tarot cards automatically. This one is Knight of Swords. When a character uses telekinesis after resolutions, remove an action token from. Okay, so that means Jean Grey or Rachel Grey. Man, I tell you, I'm starting to see some decent combos with this. I'm trying to figure out. I don't even know. Oh well. Hachi Machi. Okay. Got another Storm. Orchid Soldier. So now I got 3 of them. Great. Maybe 2 more would be nice. Sync. Magic. And the Prime Sentinel. Nimrod. Prime Nimrod. This is the, I heard this is the badass one. So nice. Very nice. This guy is sweet as sweet. I mean, when I saw him in the new X-Men House of X series and everything else, this Nimrod, I thought old Nimrod was awesome. This guy is even better. This guy is even sicker. So, booster number 8. Oh, looks like I got another tarot card, and we got Rogue, a Green Priestess, another Solemn, Jeepers Peepers, and Cypher. Ten of Wands with my man Dupe. The first time each turn of Perplex is used, the chosen combat value is +2 instead of +1 or -1. So my Perplexity, oh my gosh. Dang it. Ugh, cards are fell on the floor. Whew. I tell you, sometimes this game. So in the next couple of weeks, I'll be taking one of my first vacations, and basically, I will be doing some Heroclix content. So these are the last 2 boosters. The question is, what do I get a chase? Or maybe everything was all in waste. Yeah. Okay, we got Pyro. I like this Pyro because, like, he had that face tattoo. We got Cyclops turn with his back turn because he got back, you know. Cable. Another Daniel Moonstar and another Fury. So. Last one. Oh, looks like I got a baggie in here. We got a Lockheed, another Magic, Danny Moonstar. Yeah! Danny Moonstar, Roulette, and Ishka the Unbeaten. Heard that she was really awesome. Dang it, dropping stuff. And with her Sword of Mercy. And that is it, except for one last thing. One last thing. As luck will have it, the legacy card can make or break your brick. Because if it's something that you have or something you can easily attain, it's awesome. If not, oh well. And what do I get? I get Unis the Untouchable. Yay. Okay. And he's like a pretty good figure, you know, from the old set. But anyway. And that, with that being said, that is it for the last opening of the brick. Hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I hope I did because I bought it, but I did actually. And I just can't wait to play with some of these. And you know, if you like this kind of content, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and guys, I'll talk to you later.